Hey everyone, my car seems lock start this morning. Maybe there's an issue with the battery, I don't know. No work. So I took a checking of the and checking the battery. So the battery voltage is 11.7. It's just a little bit low. So I'm now replace my car battery. First I have to loosen these screws. I use this 10 millimeters in the case here. It seems like a little bit tight. Okay, I move out the screws here, and the brackets here. So this is the bracket. So I think I can move out the batteries. Yeah, this is the battery. So this is the battery I just purchased for my CRV, and I'm going to put it here. The positive side should be close to the positive side, the negative side should be close to the negative side. This is now in the position. Negative to the negative, positive to the positive. Okay, I'm going to put on this screw here and the bracket. So here's the bracket. And the screws. Just temporary, not too fixed, not too tight. Yeah. Now it is fixed here. So before I start my car, and just a little check of the battery here, the voltage. It is 12.5, pretty good. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if that works. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, it works very well. Good job. Okay, one last step is tightening up the screws here. I just temporarily tighten, and the brackets as well here.